Hello, and welcome to Axiom Labs. All right, let's dive right in, because today we're tackling a topic that is, well, it's on pretty much everyone's mind.
So, feeling a bit overwhelmed by generative AI? Yeah? If you've tried to jump in recently, I'm guessing you felt exactly this. A little lost, right? Maybe a lot overwhelmed. And you know what? You are definitely not alone. It's probably the most common feeling out there for anyone trying to get a handle on this crazy, fast-moving space. I mean, let's be real. It's a super crowded space. You've got all these tools, all these models, and just endless tutorials. It feels like every single day there's a new model, a new framework, a dozen new videos, all promising to make you an expert overnight. It's like trying to drink from a fire hose, right? It's tough to figure out where you're even supposed to start.
Okay, so what about this number? Over 3 million. What is that? Well, that's how many people have found a single resource, one thing that actually cuts through all that noise. Something that gives them a clear, structured path to follow. And that resource is what we're breaking down today. It's the Generative AI full course from the amazing folks over at freecodecamp.org. Now, I want you to think of this less like just another tutorial and more like a real roadmap. Something that's actually designed to take you from feeling confused to feeling confident. So, here's our game plan. We'll quickly look at that feeling of AI overload. Then we'll walk through the free Gen AI roadmap this course gives you. We'll cover the foundations, the advanced tools, and, this is the best part, the real-world projects you get to build. And finally, we'll talk about why this is the perfect place to start your journey. All right, Section 1, the AI learning overload. Let's really dig into this problem for a second. This chart just nails it, doesn't it? On one hand, information overload is through the roof. I mean, there's a mountain of articles and videos out there. But on the other hand, a clear, structured path, it's tiny. That gap right there, that's the reason so many people just get frustrated and give up before they even really start. So that brings us to the solution, your free Gen AI roadmap. This course is designed to be that structured path. It's built to bring a little bit of order to all that chaos. Let's see what that roadmap actually looks like. Okay, so the structure here is just really smart. It's a logical progression. You start with the fundamentals, the absolute basics, then you layer on the core frameworks you need. After that, you get into the nitty-gritty of data and memory, then explore some advanced models. And the grand finale? You bring it all together to build real end-to-end projects. See how each step just builds on the last? It's perfect. So, let's talk about laying the foundations. Because, you can't build a skyscraper on a shaky foundation. And the exact same thing is true when you're learning AI. The course kicks things off with probably one of the most crucial tools out there right now, the OpenAI API. You got to think of this as your gateway. If you want to build anything cool with models like GPT, learning how to talk to this API is pretty much step one. Okay, so once you've got a handle on the API, the course brings in LangChain, and this is so important. If the OpenAI API is like this super powerful engine, then LangChain is kind of like the rest of the car. The chassis, the wheels, the steering, it's the framework that lets you hook that engine up to other stuff, like your own data, and actually build useful applications.
All right, foundation is solid. Now it's time to level up. The next part of the roadmap is all about mastering the advanced tools you'll need to build some seriously pro-level apps.
And a huge piece of that is vector databases. The course gives you a look at both Pinecone, which is a big managed service, and ChromaDB, a really popular open source option. But why does this even matter? Well, here's the best way to think about it. Vector databases are what give your AI a long-term memory, a super-powered one. It's how your apps can remember and pull up tons of information instantly, kind of like how our brains work. And what's awesome is that this course isn't just about OpenAI. Nope, it actually gets you playing with other major league players, like Meta's Llama 2 and Google's Gemini Pro. This is huge because it gives you a way broader view of what's out there and what's possible. Okay, now we get to my favorite part. And honestly, it's probably the most important part of the whole thing, building real-world projects. This is where you go from knowing things to doing things. Yep, this is where the rubber hits the road. You're not just reading, you're building. You'll build a project with OpenAI and LangChain. You'll build a full end-to-end medical chatbot. And you'll build another project using Google Gemini Pro. We're not talking about little hello world examples here. These are legit, meaty projects that really cement what you've learned and give you something real to put in your portfolio.
So, let's wrap this up. Why is this specific course such a game changer for anyone who's serious about getting into Gen AI? Your journey starts here.
Well, this donut chart really says it all, doesn't it? It's the whole shebang, a complete learning package. You get the theory, you get the frameworks, you get the advanced tools, and you get the hands-on projects. It's not just one piece of the puzzle, it's all of them, all in one place.
And the value here is just insane. I mean, we talked about the 3 million views. It's got over 95,000 likes. It's taught by real pros, Krish Naik, Savita, and Boktiar Ahmed Bappy. And here's the kicker, the part that's almost too good to be true. This whole thing is 100% free, no catch.
And the mission statement of the course really sums it up perfectly. It's to learn about generative models and different frameworks, investigating the production of text and visual material produced by artificial intelligence. See? It's not about the hype, it's about genuine, deep learning.
So, when you look at all of this, the question really isn't, can I learn generative AI anymore? Because yeah, you can. The path is right there, it's laid out for you. The real question, the much more exciting question is, once you have these skills, what problem are you going to solve with them?